Pegasystems Inc. The truth is revealed. In violation of SEC reporting requirements, for nearly 2 full years, PEGA never publicly disclosed Appian's lawsuit in its public SEC filings. After the close of the markets on May 9, 2022, PEGA disclosed that the Virginia Circuit Court jury awarded Appian more than $2 billion for PEGA's trade secret misappropriation. The market reaction to the jury verdict was immediate and significant. PEGA's stock price dropped from $65.93 per share on May 9, 2022, to a close of $52.25 per share on May 10, 2022, a decline of 21% that wiped out over $1 billion in market capitalization. As the market continued to digest, PEGA's stock price dropped another 8% to close at $48.07 per share the following day, representing a 2-day decline of 27%. Investors, did you purchase or otherwise acquire PEGA common stock between May 29, 2020 and May 9, 2022? The Gross law firm announces that a securities fraud class action lawsuit has been filed against Pegasystems Inc., ticker symbol PEGA. Did you lose money by investing in PEGA? And are you aware that you may recover your losses with no out-of-pocket costs? The Gross law firm represents shareholders who were victims of securities fraud. Investors have until July 18, 2022 to join the lawsuit as a lead plaintiff. Contact the Gross law firm to inquire about your recovery opportunities. What is the PEGA lawsuit about? The complaint filed against Pegasystems alleges that the company violated federal securities laws by making false and/or misleading statements and/or failing to disclose that 1. PEGA had engaged in corporate espionage and misappropriation of trade secrets to better compete against Appian, a principal competitor. 2. Defendant's product development and associated success was, in significant part, not the result of its own research and product testing, but rather the result of such corporate espionage and trade secret theft. 3. Defendants had engaged in a scheme to steal Appian trade secrets, which was not only known to, but carried out through, the personal involvement of the company's CEO. 4. The company's CEO and other officers and employees did not comply with the company's written code of conduct, including its express prohibition on stealing confidential information from a competitor and misrepresenting your identity in hopes of obtaining confidential information. 5. The company was unable to reasonably estimate damages in the lawsuit filed by Appian as a result of the foregoing misconduct, the Appian litigation. 6. As a result of the foregoing, defendants' statements about PEGA's business, operations, prospects, legal compliance, and potential damages exposure in the Appian litigation were materially false and/or misleading and/or lacked a reasonable basis when made. To get information about your rights, submit your details as an investor before the July 18, 2022 deadline. The Gross law firm is ready to help you recoup your losses. Subscribe to our channel to never miss another shareholder announcement.